Then what?
Just light it and then we gonna fall back.
Fucking close?
This is one shot up.
Close to this?
It's gonna be good, bro. Go.
People use bricks or heavy items to secure the fireworks. Fireworks can flip over if not properly seated on the ground. I'm sure you've experienced a time when a firework is flipped over, causing injuries, anxiety, and etc. There is a solution to your problem to make your firework display much more enjoyable. Imagine if you didn't have to look for bricks or other items to keep the firework cake secure. Imagine that you have an item made specifically for fireworks. That's right. No more tipping over during performance. Secure up to 4 cakes. Every cake will detonate as needed and not unnecessarily. You can leave the bricks in the ground from now on. This item is available for pre-order now.
Vision, which is singularity. Singularity is the concept that the computing power, computers' artificial intelligence surpass mankind's brains.
The singularity is the concept. The word means that is the point at which a computer becomes smarter than a human brain.
Yes.